Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Madam Noon. I am from Excellent Physicist Group, College Matrikulasi Negeri Sembilan. In this video, I will discuss the exercise that relate to the effective resistance. Exercise 5. Figure 5 shows the arrangement of few resistors in a circuit. From the circuit, we know that V total is equal to 10 volt, R1 is equal to 1.5 ohm, R2 is 1 ohm, R3 is 1 ohm, and R4 is 4 ohm. You need to complete the table given by calculating the effective resistance, the current flow through each resistor, and the potential difference or voltage across each resistor. For the solution, we will refer to the main circuit. Referring to the main circuit, we can identify that R2 and R3 are connected in series, so we can calculate R23, which is equal to 2 ohm. After we combine R23, so we can see that R23 and R4 are connected in parallel. To calculate the R234, we will use this equation and we will substitute the value for R23, which is 2, and R4, which is 4 ohm. We will get R234 is equal to 1.33 ohm. Now we can combine between the R234 and R1. So from this circuit, we can see that R1 and R234 are connected in series. Because of that, we can calculate the effective resistance, or R1234, which is equal to R1 plus R234, equal to 2.83 ohms. Now, this is our final circuit. From our final circuit, we can calculate the I total by using the equation of Vt equal to It times R effective. When we substitute the value for Vt, which is 10 volt, and R effective is 2.83, we get that I total is equal to 3.53 ampere. We know that R1 and R234 are in series, so the current flow through both resistors are equal, which is I total now is equal to I1 is also equal to I234, which is equal to 3.53 ampere. From this value, we can calculate V1 and V234 by using this equation. So V1 is equal to 5.30 volt and V234 equal to 4.7 volt. Because of R1 and R234 are in series, we also can calculate V234 using this relationship, which is V234 is equal to Vt minus V1. We will get the same answer. From the value of V234 just now, and we know that R23 and R4 are in parallel, so V234 is also equal to V23 and equal to V4. From this value of V4 and V23, which is equal to 4.7 volt, we can calculate I4 and I23. I4 is equal to 1.18 ampere, and we can get I23, which is equal to 2.35 ampere. We also can calculate I23 by using this equation because of R23 and R4 in parallel. From the value of I23, we know that R2 and R3 in series, so the current flow through both resistors are equal. So we get the value for I2 and I3 is equal to 2.35 ampere. From this value, we can calculate V2 and V3. So from the calculation of V2 and V3, we get that V2 is equal to 2.35 volt and V3 is equal to 2.35 volt too. Finally, after the calculation, you can complete the table as shown. Okay, that's it for the discussion in this video. Thank you so much for watching and listening. I wish you good luck and all the best.